So you're wondering how to install the magnetic mic? Well, luckily they make it really easy. Hello and welcome to the UBL Garage. In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to mount your magnetic mic conversion kit. Of course, there's a variety of ways to mount it, including a dashboard or a console. You may get lucky and not need to have to drill new holes. But if you're not that lucky, included is an easy-to-use template that helps you make sure your holes are in the exact right position. Using the template, you can quickly make sure your holes are lined up just right. The kit includes both a screw and a nut and bolt. The nut and bolt tends to work better when you're mounting it directly to a console. Before mounting your base plate, be sure to reference the instruction manual to make sure you're using the right drill bit size. It's best to tape down your template to avoid it shifting. Once your holes are made, you can remove the template. Now, if you're going to be using the grounding screw, you're going to simply attach the spring to the middle hole. Of course, before drilling, make sure you check the other side of what you're drilling to make sure you're not drilling into anything. Next, I'm going to put in my screws. Once the mounting base is attached, you want to attach the microphone adapter to the back of the microphone. Included is the microphone adapter, a setting screw, and an Allen key. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.